Hey everyone, this is Will the Trill here. This is my latest acquisition. This is a 1973 Westinghouse 25 pint dehumidifier, heavy duty. I just got this today off of Facebook Marketplace for $15. It was in a cabinet shop, sitting in a cabinet shop collecting sawdust until I got it. It was for sale for quite a while on Marketplace until I finally got off my ass and got it. I just didn't want to see this thing get thrown away or scrapped. And I'm glad I got this thing because it looks awesome. Here's the here's the evaporator. And it's got a wraparound condenser coil, finned. And here's the specs. Listed dehumidifier. That's when you know it's good. Yeah, obviously. A lot of people don't know that. Now you can pause the video if you want to read that. "25 pints in 24 hours. And as you can see, R12. One of the best refrigerants. Nice, low operating pressure refrigerant. Talk about efficiency. And also, yep, it's got a Tecumseh AE reciprocating compressor. And it's got metal fan blades. Metal, that's right. I think it needs oil. It looks like it needs oil. Yeah, so I took the front off just to check what kind of compressor it has, and to my surprise, it's a Tecumseh AE. Would have been nice if it had a Bendix, but still, an AE is a really nice compressor. And it's an R12 rated AE. And here's the number on it. Now, the reason why I say it's a 1973, because right there it says A1773C. I guess that means January 7th, 1973. So that confirms that this unit is from 1973 because the compressor was made early in the year. Because if it was made later in the year, this unit would have been a 1974 model. So here's the knob for it, for the humidistat. All right, let's fire it up. I wonder if that's the full speed that the fan motor is running at. Because if it is, this thing's quiet. So, kind of makes sense since this particular AE is designed to run on the low operating pressure R12. So it's a much quieter running compressor. Amazing. Yeah, this thing is quiet. If this was a 40 pint, well, there's a good chance I'm moving out of this house anyway, so this will be a perfect use. Because since it's nice and quiet, it's very smooth operating. Yeah, the motor's perfectly balanced. Nice and cool so far. Well, it didn't run long. Yep, that's hot. Look at that. There's frost on the evaporator. Ooh, that is cold. Very cold. Look at that frost. I got a winner here. That's very cold. The fan motor's starting to slow down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to oil it, but... And of course, it is a sealed motor. Gotta go through all the trouble, taking all this out, just to oil the fan motor. God, I have no luck. That getting the K parts fan motor oiled, that was a real pain in the ass. Had to take everything apart. Got to take the motor apart just to oil it. Yeah, looks like I gotta go through all the trouble again. Go through the trial and error. I hate that. All right, let's shut her down. Clunk. Well, it was a kick. But hey, it spins down okay. It does wind down okay, but better to be safe than sorry. I'm just gonna oil the motor. Since it's a sealed motor, nobody was ever able to oil it, or, well, of course, your average Joe wouldn't bother anyway. Yeah, I gotta go through that trouble again. Gotta take all of this apart. Gotta take the motor apart just to oil it. Listen to that refrigerant flow. Oh yeah, overall, this thing works great. Just needs to be cleaned. Oil may need to be sorry. The motor needs to be oiled. And it'll be ready to go. So, what better way to end the year of the Westinghouse on a good note than buying another Westinghouse? Since the year of the Westinghouse is coming to a close, why not? Everybody in the air conditioner community has been finding Westinghouses all over the place, here and there. And that's why we called 2024 the year of the Westinghouse. Let's see what next year will have to bring for us collectors. So this is the 1973 Westinghouse 25 pint heavy duty dehumidifier. And this is a solid unit. Glad I got it. Thank you for watching.